The only thing John loves more than shoes is getting a good deal on them. The European single market is one of the EU's greatest achievements. Because of it, 500 million customers like John have more choice, better prices, and guaranteed quality and environmental standards. It means that John can dream of Italian shoes made with Portuguese leather and fine Slovenian buckles on Monday and have them delivered to his home on Thursday. That's because the single market treats all member states as one barrier-free internal market without duties, borders, or other obstacles, so that goods, services, capital, and people can move freely. The single market has already created 2.77 million jobs and generated an extra €233 billion in trade each year, and gives us access to the best that EU member states have to offer.